Hey guys, this is Saurabh Mathur, and in this video I'll be telling you how you can start an affiliate marketing with Amazon as a beginner. So if you're new to this channel is all about make money online, where I tell you my different tips and strategies that will help you to build a profitable business online. So in order to get started as an affiliate for Amazon, the very first thing which you have to do, you need to sign up to their Amazon Associates program, which you can find out by logging into amazon.com and going down at the bottom you will see become an affiliate. So click on that, and over here it will give you all the details about the Amazon affiliate program, that you will get up to 10% advertising fees with a trusted e-commerce leader, and you will get all the access to the affiliate tools, the reporting tools, the linking tools. So you have to join now for free. You need to click on over here. You need to sign up to your account. Here you will put in your address. So once you click next. So on this page you need to put the link to your website or a blog. You can also put a link to your Facebook profile or your any other social media profile here. I haven't tried it, so let's try it and see. We'll put my Facebook profile link over here. Just copy it and just paste it over here. Then we will click on next. Confirm. Okay, now you can just fill out this entire form, and once you sign up to Amazon affiliate program, you can then get links to promote any of their product. So the next thing which you have to do is you need to find the product which you need to promote. So for that you need to go into departments, and these are all the different categories, different niches of products which are available at Amazon. So let's say we're gonna pick up sports and outdoors. So this is your main broad niche, and inside that you will see different sub niches of outdoor recreation, sports, fitness, fan shop. So let's say we're gonna pick up fan shop, and these are all the products which you can promote under fan shop sub niche. So let's say we're gonna promote this Spalding NBA street basketball. So you will get the link to it from your affiliate dashboard. And now you must be thinking, where do you have to promote this link? So the idea is you need to promote this link in different Facebook groups. No, you don't have to spam the link in different Facebook groups or on your profile. You need to join different Facebook groups based on this particular sub niche, which is NBA street basketball. So the very first thing which you have to do is you need to just go through the reviews of this particular product. Just see what people are talking about, what challenges they are facing, and what things they're liking about this particular product. And then you go into Facebook and you can type let's see, you'll find groups for street basketball. As you can see, there are different groups which are here for street basketball. So you need to join the groups with lot many members, something like this. It has got 1.8 thousand members. This one also has got 1.8 thousand members. You need to join these groups, and then you need to interact with people in this group. You're not going to spam your links. You need to see what questions people are asking. You need to respond to them. You need to build relationships with them. You need to solve their problems, and by solving their problem you can recommend the product which is there on Amazon. So if someone is looking for a good basketball and they're looking for suggestion, then you can refer them to this particular Amazon link. You cannot post the link directly in the groups. Some group moderators do not allow that. So you can take the permission of the person who is asking for the question and ask them, hey, would you mind if I share the link with you for the product which you're looking for, the basketball you're looking for, and then send the link via direct message. So that is how you need to promote. It's just for the one product, and you can do the same for different products in Amazon. That is the best way to get started and get going for promoting Amazon products as an affiliate. So I hope this blueprint is clear to you. If you have any questions regarding anything, just let me know in the comments down below. You can send me an email, or you can reach out to me on Facebook, Twitter, wherever. All the links will be in the description down below. And if you are totally serious about making money with affiliate marketing, there is a free training course in the description down below. It's totally free of charge. Just go through the course so that you will learn everything about affiliate marketing, right from the beginner to the advanced level. So I hope you got some value out of this video. If you got some value, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.